Hey, how's it going, YouTube? This is the Verified Trader, and today I will be talking about my current situation with my small trading account. So basically, I'm trying to flip small accounts into possibly 1,000, 2,000, and beyond. I think this is possible because since I use a negative risk reward ratio of 4 to 1, meaning if, for example, I aim for 1%, my stop loss will be 4%. That's a negative risk reward ratio of 4 to 1. So by doing this, I simply have more probabilities in my favor. Because, for example, here, if I were to enter a sell, the current price is right here and the take profit is right here. I use anywhere from 25 pips to 10 pips take profit. It just depends on the ATR, the average true range. But in this example, if I were to enter a sell, it's just 25 pips of movement right here and 100 pips movement so that it could hit my stop loss. So I simply have more probabilities of the price, the current price, hitting my take profit first. And if you could do that consistently, you could manage to compound those small wins over the time, and you could grow exponentially. So that's the goal as of now. I'm trying to flip obviously the small account. I started with $30, um, but I deposited another $30 so that I could speed up the process. I might deposit $30 every week or every 2 weeks, just so that I could grow the account faster. So 30 plus 30 equals 60, but my balance as of now is 80, right? So that means 79. So that means that I almost have like $20 of profit so far. I need to check how much percentage wise that is, but I'm not really sure. But yeah, as of now, I'm up $20. Yeah, so I will be sharing what you can be able to do with a small account. Not a lot of people talk about this because they think it's either a scam or they either think it's not even possible. But in my eyes, this is totally possible because you first of all, you're gonna win most of the time. I'll be showing you a Google Sheets of what you could potentially make with just a small account, for example, like $30, and it's mind blowing because if you use a negative risk reward ratio and if you could be consistent winning over time, of course you will have losses, but if you have like a 90% win rate, 88%, you can make a lot of money. And this is what I'm trying to achieve. And I will be trying to live trade in my YouTube channel so that everything could be documented and with full transparency. Anyways, let me show you my Google Sheets of what I mean about starting off with the $30 account investment, $30. So what I do is I divide my investment by 3 times. So I will have 10, 10, and 10. So each time, this is 1 level, 2 levels, 3 levels, and up to level 47, you get up to 1 million. Obviously, this is not showing you all the losses. This is just without any losses, okay? But this is an example of what you could be able to make with just a small account. So I aim for 25% on each trade. So in trade one, 25% of $10 is 250. And if I win that trade, good, that's great. If I win this one on trade two, great. And if I win the third trade, I make a total of 25%. So 30 times 25% equals 12.50. And my ending balance will be 37.50. So that's just stage one, level one. And if I could do this consistently over the time, I could bring the account to 1,000, 2,000, 4,000, 12,000, 15,000, 30, 73,000, 115K, and then eventually $1 million, sorry, 1,000. And this is totally possible because I use a negative risk reward ratio and the odds are in my favor. So whenever I do have a loss, let me show you how losses will look like. So this is the same thing but with losses so that you could understand what I mean. For example, if I lose trade 2 in level 33, I will lose $38.30, right? But if I win trade 1 and trade 2, I will make 9.58, 9.58. So, in order to recover one loss from one level, I simply have to win these two and from the next level, I have to win all three. So in total, I have to win 5 trades in a row using a negative risk to reward ratio of 4 to 1, and then I recover this loss.